Hey, yo, what's on YouTube? This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, I'm gonna unbox also something different. It's nothing but a Pritech. Here it is, with the model number RSM 1928C. So, sit tight for the intro, man. Alright. So, this is really something different. This is a whole body hair trimmer. You can use it anywhere on your body. And got 5 watts, so I don't know how many milliamp battery. It's not also rating on the body, how many minutes to charge, and how many minutes operating time. So this is it. Pritech with the model number RSM 1928C. So let's open it up, man. So like I said before, let's check. Okay, yeah, it's written. I told you. It's a charging time 120 minutes, operating time 100 minutes. It's not bad. Okay, and this is the manual. So, charging cable. And these are the guide comms. So it's also totally something different. See that? This is the other one. And the third one, little brush. And the third one is here. So yep, that's it. And this is the whole body trimmer. Looks like this. Charging port. Okay, and you can make it longer. You know, in case if you want to shave your back, and you can just make it longer and start shaving, you know, which is good. So this is the blade. Yo, I forgot to mention it on the video. This Pritech body trimmer was sent to me by Pritech for free, and you can check their whole product on Amazon.com if you're living in USA. You know, so peace, man. Okay. So here's the smallest guide. It is very easy to slot it in. See that? The middle one. See that? And the biggest one, if you have long hair, which is good. Does it? Yeah, it's not bad. So this is it, and let's try to cut some hair here and see if maybe it can really cut. Okay. Hmm. This side is good, and the other way around. Okay, it doesn't hurt the skin, which is good. So you see this hair right here? Let's try to cut it. Very smooth. Okay, it's up. Two ways. You can cut up or you can cut it down. It's not bad. So this whole body trimmer doesn't hurt the skin, which is very, very good. And you can use it to shave your chest, your back, and even down there, I guess so. Yeah, and it's for the whole body, it's not bad.